So in this problem, A is true, B is true, C is true, and E is true by the reasons given. I want to take a closer look at D, which was the one that was false. When we have a factorial, the ratio test is often the best way to go. We're going to do the limit as n approaches infinity of the absolute value of 2 to the k plus 1 over k plus 1 factorial divided by what you see here, 2 to the k plus 1 all over k factorial, which can be written as multiplying by the reciprocal, k factorial 2 to the k plus 1, absolute value of all of that. Well, k plus 1 factorial is k plus 1 times k factorial, and so the k's cancel out. 2 to the k plus 1 cancels the 2 to the k plus 1, leaving really just 2 to the 1, or a 2 in the numerator. So as we rewrite this, we've got 2 in the numerator, k plus 1 in the denominator, and we're taking the limit as n approaches infinity. Well, this limit is equal to 0, which is less than 1, so we converge. If it had been greater than 1, we would diverge, and if it was equal to 1, we'd be inconclusive. So that's why this is false, because it converges, not diverges.